Hello everybody, welcome back to, well, it's not quite gardening time yet, but we are getting started. I do apologize. I have had a issue with my external microphone being broken off of my camera, which is what I would normally use inside and randomly, just to save on some time, and I didn't realize it, but the microphone has been broken. I'm gonna say the culprit is likely my cats, but what we're going to be covering today is seed starting and a little bit of chicken maintenance because I've got one chicken that has been inside since the temperatures dropped really low. She is my rooster's favorite, and therefore she has a problem trying to grow her feathers back, and the last thing I wanted was for her to get what I jokingly refer to as freezer burn, but I actually didn't want her getting frostbite outside, so we brought her in. And even to this day, I'm currently working on this edit on February 22nd, which is very late. I do apologize. But she is still inside and she's starting to get some of her feathers back. In one of my videos, I do in fact get my whole seed starting area taken care of. I get my broccolis and cauliflowers planted. And I don't actually show it in this video, I don't think, but at one point I do start out my peppers. It might be towards the end of the video. I might have caught part of that. But as of right now, I have already got tomatoes and peppers already starting to germinate. So that will be in the next video. I have also recorded a section of us starting out our onions, and the recording of the potatoes will start out soon because we have hit a cold burst and a whole bunch of rain. I have not been able to put my potatoes in the ground yet, so that's not included in here, even though it is definitely potato planting season. They are not in the ground. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm just going to let the rest of this play. There's a couple of parts where I do have some audio because I used the lapel mic and the audio turned out just fine. So I kept it in. The rest of the audio is just kind of there, hit or miss, and didn't actually show up because of the broken microphone, like I said. Hello everybody, welcome back to Hidden Liz. Today we're going to be doing a really quick video. I'm going to be planting my onions, but it has been a while since everybody saw the garden, so we're going to do a quick tour before we get started on that. Let's jump into it. I'm already in the red on it. Okay, we got our driver's side area. We've got some garlic planted here, carrots here, a few cabbages that are here. That bed is ready for a reset. Here, this bed is about ready for a reset. This is where I'm planting my onions. That bed is about ready for a reset. This has got the last of my broccoli. Just got some side shoots coming up. That's where the cauliflower was. That one's ready for a reset. And these two beds are unoccupied. Okay, my onion spacing is going to be approximately 3 inches apart. That'll do. It's about how wide the onions will be on the sides and about halfway. That's a big enough onion for me, so that's how far apart I'm going to plant them. I'm hoping after I get these guys in the ground, I will have enough room to go get some more instead of just these. I got these from Dixondale Farms, and they are pretty dry. They need to go in the ground now. It's just the short day sampler with a lot of different types in here. Let's get them in. And the key is to only bury them covering their tiny roots. Not even sure if you guys can see what I'm doing, but the key is to not bury this part, but to just bury down here to only include the roots in the soil, but not the part that's actually going to bulb. And I'm not really caring which way these guys go in, like I'm not trying to separate types. Whenever they finally come out, we will get them totally separated. My hair's got to get out of the way. Why are you guys studying what I'm doing? Go eat your snacks. They're like, please, we want greens. I don't think you do. I think you're just being nosy. Okay, it actually looks like... yeah, it looks like my battery's supposed to die. That is pretty much all I'm doing today, taking care of my chickens and planting some onions. But I do have some footage from when I was sick and I was just like doing seeds and stuff like that. So I kind of looked like crap and I was moving very slow, but it's the other stuff that I was working on. Alright, that is all that I have gotten, and the next recording has already started. I will see y'all guys next time. You have a wonderful day, my friend, and you stay shiny. Bye!